Still not clear whether the flag meeting India requested to resolve the impasse will take place today or not, but China does seem to be softening its stand, talking about the need for friendly relations between neighbors. Take a listen.
India and China are neighbors. Since the border line is not drawn, problems of one kind or another will inevitably arise. When problems do arise, the two sides should probably resolve them through the existing mechanisms and through friendly negotiation. We believe that this case will get a proper and friendly solution and won't affect the peace and stability in the border region between India and China, nor will it affect relations between China and India.
All right, we've heard from the Chinese. Let's now go across to Parul, who is joining us from Leh. Good morning to you, Parul. You have been in Leh for the last 48 hours now. What are locals telling you? And there are some signs that China may be softening its stand.
Well, you know, the locals certainly don't think the Chinese have been friendly with them. First, let me say that they are quite confident that the soldiers will leave, but they're also confident that the soldiers will leave at a time of their choosing and on their own terms. That is what China is about, according to this region. And they're seeing a pattern. They say they come and go at will when the Chinese do cross over the line of control, which is, of course, disputed in parts. They harass the villagers there. They chase away their cattle. They object to legitimate development works on the Indian side, even though they're massively scaling up infrastructure on their side. And even worse, they're saying that projects like irrigation canals or road building, when there are objections that are raised by the Chinese, the local government, of course, has to check with Srinagar about that. Srinagar then checks with Delhi, and the MEA and the MOD often issue instructions to stop that kind of activity, which, of course, upsets the villagers. The most recent time this happened was in Demchok sector last year. So, obviously, the locals in this region don't think that the Chinese are friendly. They are worried about continuing land grab by the Chinese, and they are insecure because, remember, this is a region that's actually sandwiched between China-held Aksai Chin and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. So they believe they need all the support that they can get from the central government. That they feel has not come through. They want India to be more assertive with China. They want the government to give the army a freer hand. And they want India to take a line that it takes when it comes to Pakistan. They say we hear India being very aggressive when there are border hostilities with Pakistan. So why is India so timid when it comes to China?